Windows era officially begins on iPhone and Mac. A new cross-platform Windows app is revolutionizing remote desktop access. Microsoft has unveiled a redesigned Windows app that will forever change how users access their desktops and cloud-based machines. The new app, which now supports macOS, iOS, Android, and the web, allows seamless remote desktop connections from almost any device. Windows app for macOS and iOS finally arrives. In a groundbreaking move, Microsoft has introduced a refreshed version of the Windows app that enables users to connect to remote desktops, virtual machines and data centers, and even cloud-based systems like Windows 365. Whether you're using a Mac, iPhone, Android device, or Windows itself, this app provides a unified, easy-to-navigate experience that bridges the gap between operating systems. The app features a host of new improvements, including customizable home screens, optimized screen sharing for Teams meetings, and support for multiple monitors. Administrators can also enjoy enhanced device management tools and the ability to provide in-app feedback directly. Seamless experience across platforms. The redesigned Windows app is more than just a remote desktop tool. It's a bold step towards a future where device and location don't limit productivity. With its unified interface, users can switch between devices without losing a beat, offering a truly seamless cross-platform experience. In an official statement, a Microsoft spokesperson said, "We've been working hard to ensure this app delivers the functionality users need, and the feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. The ability to access Windows from any device is revolutionizing remote work and personal computing." A new era of remote access has begun. This launch signals the start of a new era for remote desktop access, enabling workers, students, and tech enthusiasts alike to connect to their machines from anywhere in the world. With cloud-based technologies like Windows 365 on the rise, this app will likely play a key role in shaping the future of how we interact with technology.